Hi, Dr. D. It looks like you fixed things up around here.
Hey, Geronimo. Hey, Bernie.
You look a lot happier than when I saw you last, don't they, Geronimo and Bernie?
We feel better now. We might be getting closer to finding the stink.
Guess what? We have an idea on how stink travels to the different cities.
We stood in a circle and sprayed something into the air.
And it reached our noses in exactly the same amount of time. So, maybe the cities are located at equal distance apart from the stink.
What do you think of that, Dr. D? Pretty cool, huh?
Whoa, guys, hold on. You might be getting a little ahead of yourselves. First of all, have you been careful at how you've experimented?
We think so.
You say an equal distance apart. Is there anything else in the clubhouse that smells?
Well...
The big question is, have you been careful to keep everything the same?
What are you talking about?
Think about your experiment carefully. Remember, you must plan it and not simply jump into it feet first. You've only tested this on the 3 of you. This is not a true sampling. You need to test it on a larger group. Everyone's sense of smell is different.
We know Bernie has the best nose in town, but what about you, Geronimo?
You're right, Bernie's got a great sniffer. But getting back to your experiment, more people will give you a truer picture of what you're looking at in your experiment.
Well, we could test this on our friends at school. We have a lot of different sets of noses in our class.
Let's go to school. This will be great.
Thanks, Dr. D. This is great. We have enough kids to pull this off.
We need to divide the class into groups of 2.
Excuse me. I have an idea. One group could actually do the experiment, and the other group could time and record the data. Here are your stopwatches.
Okay, let's get to it.
You all need to stand in a circle. Everyone 2 meters from me and 1 meter from each other.
Here's a meter stick. I'll be the measuring man.
All you sniffers need to pair up with somebody with a stopwatch.
And recorders stand by.
That looks good. Does it look good, Mrs. Mazitis?
It looks very good.
I'll stand in the middle, and I'll spray the spray. When you smell it, raise your hand, and your partner will push the stopwatch.
Okay, let's go start the experiment.
Okay, recorders, what were your results?
I got 7.
14.
I have 15.
This is really strange.
Really strange. I thought the results would be the same.
I can't believe these numbers are different. They're all different.
I guess science isn't all that predictable.
I expected it to be like our other experiment, where all the numbers were the same. What do we do now?
I guess we go back and tell Dr. D.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for all your help.
Bye. Where is he?
Hello, Dr. D, where are you?
Hold on. I'm right here. What's wrong? You sound a little anxious and look a little windblown.
Well, we thought we knew the answer. Our experiment at the treehouse showed that smell moved at the same rate of speed.
But at school, it sure was different.
Let's talk about the test conditions. Were they all the same?
Well, the windows were shut and the fans and AC were both off.
I was the measurement. I know all our friends. We're standing equal distance from each other.
I have an idea. Did you watch everyone and how they smelled the air spray? Did they breathe normally or take a big sniff like this?
I know George had a cold.
You can't always control the situation. There might be variations in sensitivity or how your friends smelled the air spray. If you look at the data you collected, we may want to ignore the 45 and the 20. Because as you can see, they're pretty far away from the other numbers in the group. These numbers could be mistakes in measuring and might be misleading when you're trying to make sense of your data. If we look at the rest of the numbers, they are very close, but not the same because of variations like George's cold.
So, basically, we were right. Smell does travel at the same rate of speed, but different things influence it.
Do certain things make smells move faster or slower?
I think you need to do some more investigating.
We know, and more
investigating.
investigating.
We're never gonna get on KSNN.
What's that noise?
Oh, it's just the wind blowing. It's nasty outside.
I wonder, could this be one of our variables?
It could be. I think you three need to do some more experimenting.
I have a gut feeling this could be the answer.
You may be right.
You have a lot of guts.
I do not.
Do so.
Whatever.